Video overview of the Softwash and pure water production cart for pure water cleaning of solar panels or windows, along with a soft washing system on here. So you've got a output reel for your soft washing and an output reel for your pure water coming from 2 ROs. So you get about 1.75 to 2 gallons a minute on demand when you turn on the pump. Filtration in the side, surfactant tank, water leveling tank for the soft wash, 50-gallon bleach tank sandwiched in between. All fits on a skid, easy to transport, and takes up just a little bit of space in the back of your truck. So here's your dual sprayer for 2 12-volt pumps for spraying your chemistry and rinsing with the soft wash, and with a mixing trident, they're all good to go.